Hello, welcome again. In this lecture, we're going to learn how to install WordPress theme and required plugins. So let's log into our web host account, sign in, and then okay, I have already signed in with my Google account, so it has been redirected here. So from there, we can click on this link. Okay, so this is our website. We'll have to set it up now. Just click on the address bar and type in /wp admin and then hit enter. This will take you to WordPress dashboard login page. Here enter your username, that was admin, and password. Hit enter, and here we are. This is the dashboard page. So how do we set up theme? How do we install WordPress theme? Just from this dashboard page, click on appearance, just hover onto it, and then click on themes. From here we can choose which theme we want. So click on add new. Okay, so from here let us install a very popular theme which is known as OceanWP. So let's type OceanWP. Here we are. This is the theme. Just click on install. So okay, the theme has been installed. Click on activate to activate the theme. That's it. So this message, this theme recommends the following plugins: Elementor and Ocean Extra. You should install this plugin first before proceeding any further. And click on here, begin installing plugins. Okay, so once you click on here, you will be redirected to plugins page. You can select all the plugins by clicking on here, and then from bulk action select install and then click on apply. This will install both the plugins, that is our Elementor plugin and Ocean Extra. Here we go. The plugins has been installed. So if you get this page, this error page, don't get panic. Just remove this URL and hit enter. Okay, from here you can close this. You can skip the setup for now. Go to theme panel. From theme panel you can just skip it. Okay, so from this, once you skip it, you will be redirected here. Just you can ignore this, and from again go from the sidebar, look for theme panel and then look for install demos. Just click on it. From there you can choose which demo you want. These are all free demos and the theme is absolutely free, so you can do whatever you want. You can install travel blog theme or e-commerce theme, whatever you want. So as we are building portfolio website, let's import this coach theme. So just click on this white space, then here you will see the required plugins again. So this demo require Ocean social sharing plugin. So just click install now. Okay, so it is activating. So this Ocean sticky header, this is an add-on plugin which will cost you if you wish to buy it. So just leave it as it is, ignore this and click on go to the next step. From here check all these checkboxes and hit install this demo. So this will import the demo theme into our WordPress. So let's wait for it to finish. There you go. Now you can see the result. Okay, just hit enter. In case you don't see anything, just refresh the page, and here we are. This is our demo page, which is quite beautiful and looking professional. But what we will do is we will delete all this and we will create our new website from scratch. So that's it for now. See you in the next lecture.